Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kavgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon, District Gondia, Maharashtra. In this video, I will be explaining how to add image in your paper. In the previous video, we have seen various things, for example, italic, bold, underline, abstract, and so on. So let's see how to add images in your research paper. So for this, you need to go and click your cursor here. So before this, only JPG format or the JPG files are supported in this paper. So first you go to upload section, click on that. It says select from your computer. Now see, there are some JPG file are available in my folder. For example, 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 images I have selected. So all images will be stored in my gallery. So these are the images which I want to add in my paper. Now see, all are in JPG format. Now for this, my dear friends, you just suppose I want to add this image just before the introduction. For example, this. So enter in first section, type left slash and write begin. So as you type begin, various tags will be appear or will be visible to you. So select the tag which you want to add. I am going to select that left slash begin. In curly bracket it is written that figure. So I want to add figure, so I have selected that option. So along with this tab, various tabs will be opened. For example, one is says centering, include graphics, captions and label. So let me add first. For example, the first image, it is all about igbo.jpg. So this is the image or the graphics I want to add. Again, what is this? Igbo woman. Okay, Igbo woman, and this is my first figure because I am going to add 3 figures in this paper. So fig 1. Now see, the description of this image is I have given here in this section slash begin and end figure, begin figure and end figure. So let's try hit the recompile button. You will see the effect. Now you can see in the first section, so here image, but what happened, I have added image but it is not appeared in my page. So for this, my dear friend, you need to do one thing. So in this preamble, you have to select package. So type left slash use packages. So in this packages, I am going to select the graphics one. So with the help of this package, I can add image. So as I add this package in my preamble or in this processing page, immediately your photo will be converted in your page and it is visible now. So here your page. Now this page or this image is very big. I want to set this page. I want to set this image. So for this, you go to include graphics. Before curly bracket, you click here and type in square bracket, for example like this. So I want the width, give the is equal to sign. For example, I want the 5 say cm or centimeter, comma, and the height 5 cm. So this is the size of my photo. So as you type in square bracket and click on recompile, so size of this photo will be changed. So here you can see. So this is the size, or this is how you can change the size of the photo. Actually I have added various photos here, so this is one of the way. Suppose let me delete once again, and okay, I want to add another photo, for example like this here. So as I go, and again the same process you need to follow. Begin and select figure. So again the same options are visible. Write the second JPG 1 dot JPG. Select this. Caption you can write Imecheta. So this is the title or the label, and you can write, or you can give the label, for example figure 2. So now see, again if you want to change the size, type or write in square bracket, for example width 5 cm and HEIGST height 5 cm. So this is how you need to enter, and you can see the result of your image in your paper. So this is the, okay, in which section I added, okay, in the subsection I have added, okay, here this is. So here my dear friends, you can add, this is the way you can add figures in your paper. So in the next video we will see how to add bibliographies, how to cite paper, or how to add citation in your paper, as well as you can add the references. So for till now, thank you.